Okay, what's up, y'all? So in today's video, as you see where we at right now, we on Facebook. But you guys can join my link. You guys should download the TEMU app, by the way, if you guys really wanna, you know. So here we have the TEMU app. Okay, just go ahead and search affiliate program. Here you can join this group right here, which is I am the main admin. I low key post a lot of stuff over there, so you guys can, and I can accept you over there within. You see all these people right here want to join, so I can just go ahead and click approve all of you guys. So here's how to get a new user. So you're gonna want to come over here and search Timu new user, and once you do this, it should pop this up groups, and just go ahead and click groups. As you see all these groups right here, they're all new user people, so you guys can join in and have some fun. So first you can just go ahead and click join here and join here and join here. As you see this one, join right away, and it sent you in. As you see, I can now post in. So let me go ahead and open my Temu, and so you guys, I can literally post anything here. Okay, not right now. As you see, she just posted, and as you see, a lot of people just commenting right now. So you guys can be one of these people. And by that, you literally have almost a lot of people right now. So all these groups. You see, I just joined already. Visit. I'm already in. So like you see, she just posted this 20 minutes ago, and people are literally clicking on her. So you guys can do the same thing, and you can be posting over here, because as you see, look, she posted 10 hours ago. She got like a lot of likes, a lot of people commenting down below. So you guys can do the same thing by clicking the link down below and downloading the app and accepting my link, of course. Okay, I'll be glad to show you guys more about this, but I'm running out of time. So yeah, I'll go ahead and give it a try.